Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kalechi and I'm a Canva expert. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a trick. I've actually known this trick for a long time, but I just felt I should share it. Maybe somebody out there needs it and it's going to be beneficial to more than one person. My name is Kalechi. Oh, I already said that. Please, if you're here to subscribe to my YouTube channel, you can kindly do that now, and also turn on post notifications so anytime I upload a new tutorial, you'll be notified. Now let's jump right into the tutorial because I know we're all busy people and I wouldn't want to waste much of your time. Now I'm just gonna come over to create a design here and select Instagram post square. This trick it's a trick that you can apply to frames. It's all about changing the colors, changing the background colors of a frame. Now we have to go over to elements and then click on frame. If you've been using Canva a lot, you know that Canva has a lot of frames in your library. Now for this particular trick, I would suggest you use a frame with background. But before that, let me just show you. This is what we normally do. This is the frame. Let me just select this one and then go over to photos or images and just search for an image of a woman. Okay, I'm going to use this one. Now click on this, drag it inside the frame. If you notice, the background of the image is inside the frame. Let's look for another image. Okay, let's say I want to use this one. Bring it down. Now, if you notice, this image, the image and the background of the image is inside this frame. Now, this trick I'm trying to show you guys now, it's how to make the background, okay, of this image to change it to different colors. Okay, now let me show you what I mean. Create a new page. Trying to look for, let me just use this. Search. Let me see if I can get the perfect image. Should I use this or should I use this? I'm trying to, oh, I love this. It's beautiful, but it's not going to work for what I'm trying to do. Now this would actually make sense. So this is the image. Now we want to change the image, the background, okay, the color, the background of this image. We want to change it, right? Now I'm going to create a new page. I already have a new page. And now when you click on the frame, okay, when you click on the frame, you would see this box here, this color box. Now if you click on this and change the color, if you notice the image goes out. Okay, so we just have color and there's no image. Okay, now what I'm trying to do, what I'm trying to show you, when we're done, oops, where is my, I'm gonna refresh this and hopefully this is me. This is okay. We have our image back. Sorry. So what I'm trying to show you guys, it's we're gonna have the image of the lady and also the background, the other color of the background is going to be there, and then the image of the lady is still going to be there. Now, for this, we're not going to be using a frame without a border. If you want this particular trick to work, you're going to have to use a frame that has a border. This one 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 has a border. I'm going to use I'm going to use this one. Okay, this one has a border view. You can see. And we have the color and then we have this. Remember this one, there's just the color here, while this one we have the border color, and then we also have the color of the frame. Now, if you want this to work, you're going to have to remove the background of this. Okay, remove the background of this image. Now we're going to come over. This is the image. Click on this, remove the background of this image, else this trick is not going to work. And we are waiting for this. Just a few seconds. It's taking long. Oh, why is it taking long? Why? Okay, done. I'm going to click on apply. We are waiting. Okay, so we've successfully removed the background of the image. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag this image inside the frame, adjust it accordingly, and so there we've successfully put the image inside the frame, but we are not done yet. I'm going to click on this, and then this is the border color. We can change it to any color we want. And then if you click on this spot here and select, ta-da! Can you see? We have the image of the lady and the background color. When we did it here, we noticed that we lost the lady. But here the image is still here and the background color changed, so you can just play around with it. Use any color of your choice. So that's pretty much what this tutorial is all about. I'm going to be sharing another tutorial on how you can manipulate and just play around with the background inside a frame. So please, if you found this particular tutorial helpful, just like, drop a comment. This would encourage me to want to keep creating more tutorials for you guys. If you notice, it's been a while that I created a tutorial, but I hope this will make up for it. So you can just play around with the background. Just go back to photos, search for colorful background, and just drop it here. Then just add a text of your choice. Just add a text of your choice. And that's how, as simple as that, as simple as that. Like I said, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, and if there's any tutorial that you have in mind that you want me to create, please drop it in the comment section and I would find out time to do that for you. But for now, it's bye bye. My name remains